YouTube, good morning, guys. How's it going? We're back from the small little break I had to take from the markets. Anyways, so coming into the stream today, honestly, it looks a little bit different, right? And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to start changing things up around how I stream, how I work around the server, around the premium, and all that stuff. So, um, it's kind of like an upgrade in a way. The reason I say it's an upgrade is because obviously you guys can see in the bottom left of the screen, you guys can now see when I enter and when I sell and how much I'm up on a day for the pocket watchers. No, but all jokes aside, I mean, yeah, I've always wanted to show more transparency behind the alerts and everything. So I finally found a way to actually start implementing it over to the streams. All right. Anyways, we're gonna see how today goes. You guys know I'm still not feeling the best in the market, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So far, obviously, we're selling off. It's like the seventh day of us selling off, so we'll see how it goes. But anyways, here, let me start off the stream here in the premium. But yeah, hopefully this new little upgrade that we're doing actually is better. You guys enjoy it a little bit more, and it gives more clarity behind behind the trades. But yeah, let's see how the market goes. Hopefully, honestly, today's probably gonna be a day where we just sell off all day, and nothing crazy. So we're gonna see if we can get some retracements into a trade. Yo, what's good, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so I'm sure you guys saw the message yesterday. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm trying out something a little bit new, a little bit better for you guys. But we're trying. Let me show you guys on the screen share. Hold on. Let me see if I can. All right. So let me know if you guys can see this. So what I ended up doing, I'm sure you saw it. But I'm gonna start adding like my live executions over to the trades to see how it goes. To see how it goes. So hopefully you guys like it. Uh, you know. But yeah, hope I'm feeling a little bit. I feel like I feel not like I could probably get a trade going. I could probably get a trade going. Okay, setup looking fresh. We'll see how it goes, my man. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All right. How you feeling? A little bit better. A little bit better. But I mean, regardless, it is Friday, so we'll see how that goes. You can't see nothing if you're casting it. No way. Is it? No, you guys can't see it. I literally see it on my screen. Right here. I see it. Yeah. No, it's there. It's there. I see it as well. I see it as well. Setup is way better. Yeah, hopefully this shows a little bit more transparency, and when you guys know when we're gonna enter the trade or not. So we're gonna see how that goes. Anyways, so coming into market open, I know I haven't really talked about the market just yet, but it's looking pretty interesting. I mean, I don't know, I don't know what this is about, but we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how this goes. So far, obviously, we don't really have a setup right now, so there's not much to really talk about. But we did take out these two lows. Now, why am I not really too excited that we're taking out the lows? Well, you guys know, it's lately all we've been doing is selling. Now, there's one thing I do want to talk about. So apparently, or we found out the whole reason on why the market has been selling off this entire time, and the whole reason the market has been selling off is because I don't think many of us know this, but Trump is still applying a bunch of tariffs on like everywhere pretty much. And apparently they're all taking place on March 4th, which is on Tuesday, right? So me personally, now that I read this, obviously that's extremely bearish. I think he said it on his app yesterday. His OPEX no, it was last Friday. It was last Friday. I think he said it on his app yesterday or something. Um but yeah, apparently he keeps saying stuff on terrorists on like he wants to put terrorists on like pretty much everywhere. Um, so the whole reason the market has been selling off lately with so much volume, and it's been pretty hard to trade, or pretty tricky to trade, I'm gonna say. Wait here, let me put out that I'm live on YouTube. The whole reason it's been pretty tricky is mainly because just of him, pretty much. There's not much more to really say. So yeah. Anyways, here, let me put out that I'm live real quick. I'll wait for a setup. Yeah, hopefully I set everything up correctly for the stream. Obviously, it's my first time doing it, so there might be a little bit of some things here and there, but I mean, with time we'll fix it. what time will fit. Hopefully this is way better for you guys. Because the whole reason I want to do this is I want to kind of step away from writing the alerts. Because they take a lot of time, and sometimes it really messes me up. So hopefully me doing it live, if you guys are paying attention, it's not only faster for you guys, but it's also faster for me because I can focus more on the entry rather than typing the alert. So hopefully that works a little bit better. That's why I'm doing it, and hopefully it just makes the stream a little bit more entertaining to watch. Obviously with more profits and me actually showing the profits and everything. So we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna give it a try for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see. We will see. Let me put it on live here. Okay, there you go. Anyways, let me see. Do you like the Fair Value Gap at 7 in the morning? We don't really have one. If you're talking about this one it already got filled. So yeah. No, I do have to fix the resolution over on YouTube though. So I'll fix that for the next stream. This plus commentary would be cool for people who can exactly. Yeah, that's what I want to focus more on. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how, because what I want to do is I want to start writing more commentary to obviously explain the setup. You guys know I was talking about it a few days ago. And while I'm writing the commentary, if the trade plays out or whatever, I could just enter and I don't have to write the alert. You guys can obviously just see it from the stream. So not only, like I said, not only will it be faster, but it will be a lot more clear and a lot easier for everyone to kind of like understand it. You know what I mean? So we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, let me show you how I'm signed into the right account. I am. Okay, cool. Yeah, but in the meantime, obviously so far we don't really have too much of a setup, like at all. We do have a sweep, which is nice. We have a sweep, strong buy, and everything. Now I'm not really too convinced because you guys know obviously everything. The only thing the market's been doing lately is the second it opens, it dumps, it pumps, it dumps again, it chops out, then it keeps dumping. It's like the most predictable thing. Right now, is it tradable? Not really, but we're gonna see today. But yeah, in terms of confidence, I'm still kind of like, I mean, the L's is probably gonna stay with me until I start winning again. So it's either I come back now or it's gonna stay like that. My mindset. So we're gonna see. What if the market gives us something good to trade? We'll take it. Why not? I am Jazzy, and that's kind of just what I just explained. Let me see. Might just take a fair value projection. Yeah, maybe today. That's even if we get a setup. Right now, obviously, I'm pretty sure we do have one on ES. No, never mind. We don't. Yeah, so far, like I said, guys, the market, lately, it's been the same pattern. We dump off open, we take all of the liquidity, we pump up, we have the most random pump up, right? That pump up does absolutely nothing because the next candle just dumps down and it fills the entire fair value gap. It's been happening every single day this week, and it's probably gonna happen right now. It is happening right now. All right, so we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna see how it goes, but we'll see. No, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like the first 15 minutes of market open, dumps, pumps, dumps, it chops out, and then it continues dumping out of nowhere for the entire day. So we just press sell. I mean, at this point, bro, at this point, it's probably what's gonna happen. How much like we're probably gonna go back down. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Do you have a bias? Not yet. Not yet. I do want to lean more towards bullish. Obviously, you guys know why, but we don't have enough confirmations, to really be too bullish. You know what I mean? The reason I say that is mainly because not only do we not have an imbalance, so even if we are going to be bullish, we can't even trade into it. But the reason I'm leaning more towards, I'm not bullish yet because obviously we don't have the confirmation, but the reason I'm leaning more towards it is or we are right now at least. We took out both London and Asia. Buyers are trying to hold above it. Obviously, they don't really seem like they have the strength in this candle. But both ES and NQ took out the Asia low. It seems like ES wanted to take out the Asia low bottom ticket, and then we just pumped right back up. So that's probably what could be the case, and that's why I'm leaning more towards bullish. Right now, can we trade into this? At least right now, not yet, not yet. We're gonna see, but we did get a very nice red to green candle here, so maybe we create a gap going up. But even if we do create a gap, we need like a retracement the second we close the gap here, because our liquidity is right around the corner. Well, it's 100 points away, to be fair. It is 90 points away. But 90 points in a market like today is like 20 points on a slow market. You get what I'm saying? Is Trump speaking? He's speaking at 1. He's speaking every single day. But yeah. But what I would say right now, what will be the best case is we close this candle like literally where it is right now, right? We close this candle. Oh no, never mind. What I was gonna say is we close this candle, we create a gap, an imbalance on the next one, so we don't have to worry about whatever. But if this candle wants to pump up, that works too. That honestly works too. Um, but yeah. Now, if there was something to trade to the upside, I would take it because obviously we look amazing to the upside. Like, you know what I mean? The buying looks very, very strong. We're about to take out all these highs as well. Now, the problem is here, guys, is we took out both sells. Well, we took out the downside liquidity, and if we take out the upside liquidity, reading the bias is going to be a little bit a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky. I'm gonna say that. Um, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But yeah. Um, it's just I don't know. I'm a little bit worried about getting a setup here because we're in a bad spot. We're not in a horrible spot. I'm not gonna say we're in a bad spot, but we're in a spot where it's kind of hard to trade. And the reason I say that, well, okay, look, if this candle can close up here at the highs in the next 15 seconds, which it probably could, we could be good, right? But if we close here, the problem is the space that we have to create a gap is if we create the gap, we're going to take out the liquidity. And if we take out liquidity, not only did we take out buy side, but we also, I mean, not only did we take out sell side, but we also took out buy side. That's the problem. All right. So I don't know. The best thing that could probably happen right now, guys, is if we want to trade it into the upside, we would have to sell off right now, just like how we're doing right now. Because we need the further away we get from this level of liquidity, the more room we have for our price target. So what I would say here would be we could look for something like a sell-off to like these lows. Then we get a green candle, which creates a gap here, right? And then we trade it into the gap like this, and then we trade it into our price targets. That would be the best possible thing right now, because right now we can't really. Hold on, let me see. I got something here. Oh. Right now we can't really trade into these highs. It's a little bit complicated. It's a little bit complicated. At least where we're at. So we're gonna have to sell off a little bit, right? So we're just in a really, really tricky spot. That's all I'm gonna say. Obviously, I'm gonna give the market its own time to see what we can do, and then we go from there. Let me see if he's. Now it seems like the market is still really, really volatile, which is probably gonna happen. It's probably gonna stay like this until Tuesday, and Tuesday is gonna be the most volatile out of all the days that we've had this week. So is next week gonna be better? Hopefully, but I mean we still have those little things that can mess us up in a way. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. 3 minute. Nah, I don't use the 3 minute. Um, if it doesn't look bad, you can always trade it. It's not really a big deal. Say we take out buy side and have a fair value gap. Can you use that? Can we use that fair value gap to see what price does with it if it rejects? Well, yeah, you could. You could technically do that, but it's gonna take away kind of some confluence behind the trade. You know what I mean? How come Tuesday's gonna be crazy? Because Tuesday is when Trump. Okay, look, for the people that are just tuning in, um, the whole reason this whole entire week has been selling off and we haven't been able to get a trade at all is anytime tariff news comes out, it's always going to be bearish. Why? Because it's bad for everyone, pretty much. It doesn't really benefit any of us, right? And obviously, investors don't really like that, right? So why has Bitcoin been dumping? Why has NQ been dumping? Why has ES been dumping at a very, very alarming rate? Because of tariffs. It's extremely bad, right? Now, he hasn't been applying these tariffs, but he's been saying that he's going to apply them on March 4th, right? So what do I think is going to happen? Well, I think we're going to stay volatile like this on Monday and still on Tuesday until everything goes into play, right? Um, no, he said he's gonna do them. He's gonna do everything on Tuesday. So yeah. Now, do I still think the market goes lower? Possibly, yeah. I actually think we're probably gonna dump going forward, throughout the day. Um, no, for Canada, no, for everything else, like Ukraine. I'm pretty sure he's talking about Ukraine today, or to the Ukrainian president today, and all that stuff. We're gonna see how it goes, but maybe it doesn't sell off, but the market will be super super volatile, and being super super volatile, you know what I mean? It gets very hard to trade. I mean, you guys saw what happened on today is what, Friday? You guys saw what happened on Wednesday. Beautiful setup. We traded it. It worked out. We got stopped out. Look what happened on was it Tuesday? No, look what happened on Monday. We caught a 100-point trade. What happened? We got stopped out because of the volume. So you know what I mean? Trading this, I mean, reading it is not too hard because obviously you look for just clear liquidity and the market trades into it, right? But the problem is Apex 9, no, it's 80%. The problem is the market, with the market being so volatile, it makes it extremely hard for pretty much anyone to get a good trade going. Because your stop loss, I mean, it's either you guys trade with a 50-point stop loss if you guys want to be trading with the volume in the market, or one little move, because obviously one little move in this market, like what, 30 points is the usual stop loss. 30 points is a lot. But in a market with this much volume, it becomes extremely like a 30-point stop loss. You never, I never thought I'd say this, but it's really small in this market. Like, you guys saw what happened on Wednesday. We read the market perfectly. The trade ended up going over 80 points, but we got stopped out because of the volume in the market. It's way too much. So, you know what I mean? It's hard, and especially when the market is pumping and dumping every single candle, we're bound to get stopped out, even if the trade goes in our favor. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's why I kind of wanted to take a break from the market, because the conditions, they're not there. You guys know usually our trades hit a lot. I mean, you guys know, you guys are probably more than likely here because of our consistency and how the trades play out. But lately they haven't been playing out because you guys know the market has been really fucking hard to trade because of the volume, right? So hopefully it settles down after Tuesday. Not only is the volume more than likely going to be crazy on Tuesday, but we also have CPI on Wednesday and all that stuff. So next week we can work around it. I'm not saying we can't, but it might be, it might stay the same. You know what I mean? It might stay the same. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. But yeah. So we'll see. Now, as much as like I said, as much as I want to get a trade here, it's a little bit complicated with the market not giving us really anything to work with. Let me see. The wicks are 60 points. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, we can't have a normal stop. We really can't even trade right now. You guys, I mean, you guys have literally seen it live. We catch 100-point trades, we get stopped out because of the wicks. We catch 80-point trades, we get stopped out because of the wicks. It's these conditions, maybe they're meant for other traders, like breakout traders or whatever, but they're not here for us. And don't get me wrong, the setup still works and everything. I mean, you guys made a ton of money yesterday, with the strategy, but it's just having the stop loss. It's a hit or miss. There's no in between. It's really a hit or miss right now. So it's either you enter and the trade goes instantly green, or you enter and the trade goes straight into your stop loss. There's no chop. There's no waiting for the setup to break out. Nothing. It's either it goes immediately into your price target or immediately into your stop loss. And that's what's been happening to us this week. Everything has been going straight into our stop loss. Although the trades have been trading, or have been playing out, it just doesn't work. Yeah, bro. At this point, just bring Biden back, bro. Bro, we need the markets good again, bro. And I told you guys, look, the markets might be good, because of the volume and everything, because Trump does bring volume. But I was not, bro. We were not expecting this. And I don't know if you guys saw the video that I sent of TGR, but even he said it. He was super hyped up for Trump. And then, bro, I'm pretty sure he's red on this month, PNL wise. Same with crypto, bro. Everything is down, bro. Everything is down. Yeah, I do know he has a lot of stuff to fix, but man, it's hard for us, bro. Really, really hard for us. So we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, so far, you guys see right here. Look, let's say, for example, you guys took longs, right? Let's say, sometimes when we take longs, we get some pullbacks, right? If you were to take longs, let's say at where the candle right here, you would have been stopped out already. You get what I'm saying? Like these markets are horrible to trade. So it's just conditions. You know what I mean? It's cycles. It's not gonna be like this forever. Obviously, we all know this. It's just market cycles that happen. You know, we get affected here and there, and then we bounce back. You know what I mean? We bounce back. When do you think the market cycle will change? Honestly, probably sometime after next week. Probably sometime after next week, because you guys know the whole reason the market is probably doing all of this is because of the tariffs, and the tariffs are gonna take place on March 4th. So we'll see. How you down 2K? Nearly blown account. Don't get tilted over. If anything, if you have to take a break, honestly, you know what I mean. You saw me take a break yesterday. I want to take a break today, but honestly, I feel alright to trade it. So that's why I'm here. Um, but yeah, if you have to take a break, take it. Everything's about to be so expensive. Why do you think the market is selling off? Yeah, I mean, tariffs is it's no one likes tariffs. I mean, no one, investors especially. That's why the market has been selling off about what it's sold off like nearly 1,000 points, if I'm not mistaken, from the highs. Let's see, we were at highs a few days ago, literally a few days ago. We were about to hit all time highs. Now we're at all time lows. We've sold off nearly 2,000 points. This is not normal. I hope you guys know this. This is not normal, like at all. Like this does not happen in the market. It is not normal. So yeah, it's definitely something that you know what I mean. It's a market cycle. It's a market cycle that we can't really work with. Pretty much, no one can work with. Yeah, the market is in extreme fear. You got to keep in mind, we've sold off 2,000 points on NQ. Bitcoin has fallen like $20,000 or 15K. It's bad. Now, is it a buying opportunity for long term? Yeah. I was thinking about investing into crypto, like big time into crypto. And you guys know I don't do crypto like practically ever. Like I have $0 into crypto, but I might just do it. I might just do it. But I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm gonna see how Tuesday comes along. If anything, I throw a few into crypto and just solve it for the fuck of it. No, Bitcoin, hell no, bro. Bitcoin is done. Like, if anything, you gotta get into like the I would say the I don't know XRP. Yeah, no, my friend, you guys know Alonso, right? He's an XRP big time. So I might just do it with him. Bro, long term for Bitcoin is dope. But the thing is, Bitcoin has done so much already. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but man, it's done its thing. It's done its thing. So we'll see. But is everything like how much is XRP down? Actually, XRP hasn't really had a big. Well, mm, it's not XRP hasn't done expensive. No, I know. It's something long term. Obviously, I'm not gonna day trade or anything, but I don't know. It doesn't seem like XRP has really gotten hit too big with it. You know what I mean? Like look, let's say for example, you're looking at Solana, right? I think it's US dollar, or I think they're both the same, right? Look at this. If you look at the daily time frame, dude, this thing is struggling. Yeah, Solana is dead. Like it's gone. Um, Look at this. This has gotten a big hit. Honestly, XRP, from the looks of it, you know what I mean. But I don't know. You sleep on Bitcoin. The thing is, I don't know. I feel like investing into Bitcoin now just makes it so much harder long term. Wait, why wait for Tuesday? Mainly because remember, Trump tariffs, they're taking place on Tuesday. So once again, the whole reason the market has been dying and selling off and everything is mainly because of Trump. So yeah. Let's see what he was doing. I think it was selling off a second ago. Wait, did I not delete this level already? Why I'm confused. I don't know. I think my chart restarted or something. Anyways. But yeah. Yeah, and I personally feel like Solana is dead. I think it's gonna take a long time to recover. Now, I might put something into Bitcoin. I was thinking more Ethereum than Bitcoin. I feel like you can get more for your dollar than Bitcoin. Now, don't do Ethereum. Please don't. I mean, look, guys, I don't know anything about crypto. I don't know anything about crypto. I don't know. Why not Ethereum? Is that too? Honestly, I've never looked at the chart for Ethereum, so let me look at it. Hold up. Um. Oh yeah. I mean, it kind of looks the same. I guess it just has more price. Like I said, I don't know how to read crypto. I really don't. Ethereum is more for day trading, but not for long term. Okay, okay, I get it. I got it. I guess Bitcoin it is. I mean, if I do crypto, then like I said, guys, I really don't know anything about it. Like I don't, I'm not a crypto trader, so because I know crypto is more on news. It's not based off the chart too much, like practically ever. So yep, that's that. Let's see. SEC will drop a lawsuit. Yeah, no. Nice. Hey, what's up, Bull? What's going on? The thing is, Bright. I don't know too much about any of that stuff, so I can't really say anything. Cause I you know what I mean. I just don't have a saying. Those rug pulls ruin the market, bro. Yeah, bro. Palantir. Didn't that thing already do its own? Didn't it like sell off like crazy? Let me see. How many points is your stop loss usually? 30 points. 30 points. Plus, whatever happens to the Section 8 guy, I tried doing it. They said that they'll give me a call back. They never called me, so I just left it at that. Let me see. Who who would you trade with for crypto? What do you mean? Oh, well, I don't know. I don't even have an account, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. Is this a lie if you can't even get a call? Exactly, exactly. So I just left it at that. But if you can't get a call back for you giving them money, imagine them actually doing the work. I'd rather not. Also, it's a brand new company, so they have room for mistakes, and I don't want to be a mistake. So let me see. Not gonna lie, I feel way more comfortable with. I do. You keep in mind, 5 points is not a big difference, but it is at the same time. Now, is 5 points a? I mean, is 30 points a lot in this market? Not at all. They like it's. Also, I don't know if this market is something. I'm gonna tell you guys. No, actually, Section 8 is not getting affected at all with Trump and Elon. You guys gotta keep in mind, like 9 million, about I think about 9 million Americans rely off Section 8. That's not something that they could just shut down just because they feel like it. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, no, Section 8 is not affected by that. Yeah, there might be changes, but I don't think those are changes that are really something that will do too much to it. I don't think. Anything that is government isn't exactly. No, 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 not by the markets, not by the markets. Because apparently, from what I've heard, I'm pretty sure Trump paused like funding towards schools and all that stuff, and obviously, it's government funding as well, which also goes into Section 8. But I don't think Section 8 is being affected. They were talking about putting limits and how long they could be on these programs. Bro, Trump does not. He doesn't mess around. He doesn't mess around. But I guess I have to do more research on that. But we'll see. We'll see. But according to Tom Cruise, he said it's not really gonna do anything. Are we calling it? Not yet. Not yet. Obviously, if we take our buy side without a setup, then probably yeah. Now I'll just continue taking the little break until Monday. But I wanted to get on. The guys, the whole reason I wanted to get on is hopefully we got a trade. But I wanted to test out to see how the stream looked. And I wanted to get your guys' feedback. Like, how do you guys think it's gonna go? And we're probably ripping. um, hopefully the let me see. Take out by. But the thing is, why V? You gotta keep in mind, why would the market sell off when we already took out all of sell side? You get what I'm saying? We took out London, we took out Asia. There's nothing below until 307. We're trading at 600. There's no way the market's gonna dump down 300 points to take out one level of liquidity. You get what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. Now, if we take out this liquidity, it does not mean that we can't go any higher. I'll probably still trade it into higher, but like I said, any trade that we take until Tuesday is gonna be as risky as ever. And the whole reason being is, let's say for example, you took longs at the push up, the market is, look what happened. You got what I'm saying? It's very very hard to trade, very hard to trade. So we're trying here. You know what I mean, we're trying, but so far the market conditions, they are not lining up yet. So there's no way. Look at the market. I'm telling you guys. Whatever you guys trade, like since last Friday until this Tuesday coming up, it's not. I've been trying to tell you guys, we're not the only ones struggling in this market. Every trader out there is struggling. TGR is struggling. My boy Lanto is struggling. We're struggling. We can't get any trades. Why? Because look at what we're trading. Why is it that we take our buy side, we push, I mean sell side, we push up, and then we do this? It makes no sense, guys. Krabby's a scalper. But look at this. Like, you can't make this up. You really can't. All right. So remember, everyone trades the same market. So whatever, if you guys are struggling, best believe that a lot more people are struggling as well. Even ICT said these. Okay, well, it's ICT. Well, you know what I mean. We gotta take that with like what is it, like a grain of salt? Is that the saying? You guys know how ICT is with the complaining. You know what I mean? No, I have my sayings here and there in the market. You know what I mean? Every now and then, but you guys get what I'm saying. Anyways, you guys see this market. It's probably best. Like I said, it's probably best to just stay cash until Monday. Um, and me personally, I'll probably just continue on with the break. So, but yeah, I mean, we'll see. By the way, okay. In the meantime, um, okay, would you guys feel more comfortable? Because I actually want to get to know this. This is gonna be with the update with the server and everything, or the upgrade, I guess you could say. Um, would you guys feel more comfortable me saying, "Oh, I'm in," or you guys literally seeing the screen with the orders and the fills and everything? I feel like with the orders and the fills, right? Both. Well, I'm still gonna say I'm in, obviously, but okay, look, here's my here's what I'm trying to do. Um, I'm trying to step away from typing alerts, just slowly. And what I want to start doing is, you guys know I live trade every single setup that I take. It's all done either in the journal or on live, right? So what I want to do is I want to start writing more commentary and putting more time into actually explaining the setup that I'm watching and how I'm going to trade it, right? And when it plays out, instead of me having to, go quiet and type up the alert and do this and this and this, I simply just take the trade, and in the futures alert channel, I just send updates on how the trade is going instead of writing the entry. You guys get what I'm saying? I feel like that would be a lot easier on everyone's end. You get what I'm saying? I can write the alert. Yeah, but the thing is, there's gonna be that delay, and it's always been a problem. It's always been a problem. So we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try it out. Obviously, today we're probably not gonna get a trade. I mean, you guys obviously see the market. You know what I mean? It doesn't take us, someone smart to know that this is literally untradeable, right? Let me see. I wish there was a way for Discord to automatically send an alert whenever you take the trade. Well, I'm sure there is. I'm sure there's add-ons and everything, or bots, but I don't think it works to Tradeovate. Because I do know, like, a lot of people on Forex do it. But am I gonna stop alerting in RP's Discord? I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna work around that. That's gonna be a problem. But we'll see. We'll see. I like alerts because sometimes I'm not available to be in the stream. But keep in mind, I'm not saying that I won't write it. I'm still gonna write the commentary and everything. I'm still gonna show you guys how to enter. But the thing is look, guys, you guys gotta understand. Even when you're not in the live trading, when I put out alerts, 9 out of 10 times you're still gonna be late to alert, because we need. Look what happened on Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? No, look what happened on Tuesday. We caught 150 points in the market. I put out the alert, and I entered at 130, and you guys got the alert when the market was at 150. Even though I put it the second I entered. So even if you guys still read alerts, what the problem is you're still gonna be kind of late to the trade. You get what I'm saying? So what this is gonna do, guys, is it's gonna filter out pretty much everything and give you guys the most instant alerts. You guys are gonna hear the old guys say order filled and all that stuff. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me see. David, I wanna make a broker that allows you to. Well, bro, making a broker that's I'm gonna stop you there, bro. Making a broker is it's hard as hell. Like, not only does it cost a lot of money, but it's hard, bro. Anyways, is 385 not a DOL for you? 385, but that's far. That's really far. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. No, I have 307, 385. Let's see what we have at 305. Let's see, 305, 385. You said no. I don't really have anything at 305 or 385. I keep saying 305. Wait, I think we took out liquidity. Did we not? I'm pretty sure we did. Hold up. No, we haven't. But yeah, guys. Look, with me trying to save you guys as much time and as much money as possible, do not get caught up trading this. And look, hear me out. The reason I'm saying it is because you guys know we've been reading the market correctly this entire week. Have we been getting the right trades? No. You guys get what I'm saying? How does the market seem easy to read but hard to trade? It makes no sense. If it doesn't make sense, do not trade it. Right? Obviously, we know that we're more than likely going to take out these levels of liquidity to the upside because it's easy to read. We know it. Right? We're probably going to pump up in the next few seconds into drawn liquidity. Right? Can we trade into it? No. Not only do we not have an entry model, but the market is pumping and dumping and pumping and dumping. Before we take out the price target, we're probably going to get stopped out. That's what's been happening literally all week. That's why we haven't been hitting our trades. We've been reading the market correctly. Don't get me wrong, but we just can't trade it. It's extremely complicated. So, like I said, if you guys really, really want to like save yourself time, the mental, and your money, try avoiding this. Try avoiding this. But we'll see. How do I fix this? It's a level on my chart. What? Fix what? These markets right now, play on ignorance. Don't exactly. Oh, another guy that's been struggling, or not struggling, but another guy that's been saying, "Do not trade, like, do not take a trade like this entire week or whatever." I'm sure you guys know about Justin. Justin, what's his name? Where, Werland, Werlin, Justin Werlin. He's been saying it as well. Get off the markets. Do not trade it. If there's no look, if there's no opportunity, don't take it. So that's the case. So if you guys don't want to listen to me saying not don't trade it, maybe you guys will listen to either TGR or Justin or whatever. It's trying to inverse the 5 minute London Fair Value Gap. This could work out. We don't have a London Fair Value Gap. If you're talking about this one, it's been filled. This Fair Value Gap, this one right here doesn't exist anymore. You see, we filled it. And even then, even if we do take it, I mean, like, it's just really fucking hard to trade. MC, it's been tough for a lot of pro traders. I'm telling you guys, we're not the only guys. You guys gotta keep in mind, everyone in here trades the same exact market. If we see chop, obviously everyone else sees the chop. Do you think the market will improve in March? It's probably going to improve after next week. After next week, it'll probably improve. Yeah. Because that's when all the Trump stuff kind of slows down. And you guys know the whole reason the market has been doing this is mainly because of Trump. So, yeah. But yeah, no, I mean, we took out liquid. Well, this is internal, so it's not really too much of a big deal. If anything, we'll probably take out these two highs up here. But it's just the market is not clear to trade, and it probably won't stay clear to trade until Tuesday. We had like 200-point trades in a week, and since then we've had nothing. I'm telling you, man, it's market conditions. Obviously, you guys know we trade the same exact strat, the same exact model in every single trade. How can we get different results? Because of the market conditions. Obviously, right now, pretty much none of our trades are hitting because look at this. We go up, we take out the price target, we dump down. You know what I mean? It's not tradable. It's really not. But whenever the market does get better, whenever the market does get a lot cleaner to trade, I got you guys with the 200-point trades. You guys know we deliver over here. It's just we can only deliver when the market tells us to, or when the market lets us, you know. So we'll see. We'll see. Sorry for asking the same question, but is anyone else seeing the 385 level? I checked. I don't have anything at 385. Have you ever experienced this crappy market, bro? Yeah, I've experienced a million bad markets. Maybe you guys haven't been in a premium long enough to really be there with me, but we've been through bad markets. B- horrible markets. Now, has February been possibly the worst one that I've ever had? Yes. Alert wise, like I've never had so many losing trades in a row, or not in a row, but like in total in a month. Never had it. Never like this. Now, have I had losing trades? Yes. Have I struggled in the market? Obviously. I mean, we're all human. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. I have. I have. If you can't endure bad markets, then you can't. Well, you guys gotta keep in mind, bad markets is kind of what makes us. You get what I'm saying? Like it. Look, if you can survive a bad market, you will become a millionaire in a good market. I mean, look at us. Look at us. You know what I mean? You guys have like I said, the whole reason you guys are here is because when we have good markets, I mean, we don't miss. You guys know that. Any updates on the giveaway? I'm gonna do it on Monday. I wasn't really planning on going live today, but I have to make the graphics and everything for the giveaway, and I also have to find a way to pick the winners. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, so I gotta organize it. But we'll see. Hopefully, I have everything set up by Monday. Let me catch up with the YouTube chat. Let me see what they're saying because I haven't read YouTube at all. Okay, let's see. So no more signal. No. I'm gonna do signals. I'm not saying I'm not. I'm not saying I'm not. Um, but we're just gonna do them a little bit differently. A lot more clear in a way. Let me see. Would you consider going live on Twitch so there's no delay? No. The whole reason I go live on YouTube is for the delay. I have it set to 2 minutes. I get what you mean by alerts being a bit late for us, but for people like me who can't always join the live because of work, the signals really do help. That's what I said. The commentary. That's what's gonna be a lot better. Anyways, so okay, so we've taken out both buy side and sell side. Can we work with something here? I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. I mean, if the market continues to go higher and it shows signs of continuation, I guess I'll consider taking I'll consider looking at something for longs, but we'll see. I don't really have too many price targets above, but if buyers are looking really, really strong and we don't get any signs of a sweep here, then yeah, I mean, we can always work with something here. Somehow I feel dump. Well, the reason I'm not gonna say feeling, but the reason I'm not looking for a sell off anytime soon is because we've taken out pretty much every single level of liquidity to a downside. Like there's really not much room to go lower. Now, if we sell off, then I'm probably just gonna call it and just not trade it. Um, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do here. Now, if we can get a retracement to this 5 minute and this 15 minute, and we get a really really nice push up, honestly, taking longs won't be a bad idea. I'll probably take it light, but we'll see. We'll see. Now, if this gap doesn't hold, then I'm probably just gonna get off. Let's go on with my day. Because I know, I'm literally telling you guys, this market is not tradable. But we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna try to give it a shot. We're gonna see how this Ferrari gap holds. If it sells off, then that's kind of a done deal. And that's probably that's probably what's gonna happen. Yeah. Yes, never took on the. That's what I'm saying. We probably still have a little bit more room to go higher. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, the 5 minute gap is kind of done for. But it's probably, like I said, guys, and I probably shouldn't go against what I say, which I'm probably not going to. But it's probably best if you guys don't trade this. You guys obviously see what's going on. It's probably best if you don't trade this. Like, you guys should probably stay away. Um, do you agree when people say trading is 80% psychology, bro? Yes, bro. Yes, big time, big the like. Rochelle, let's say after, yeah, no, like real stuff, guys. It's probably best. Like, please, like, if there's one time to at least listen to me, it'll be right now. Please avoid this market, guys. Like, it is not. I do not want you guys trading this. It's not. It's not consistent. Like, let's say for example, we go back up. You get what I'm saying, guys? Please, like for the one, like for one, not for one time, but you know what I mean. Do not go into the weekend with a red trade on a Friday. Please do not trade this, guys. I'm telling you guys this from the bottom of my heart. Do not trade this market. All right. I already told you guys we're gonna be back in full focus on Monday. And look, in the meantime, Please use this week because I know this week has been mentally hard for pretty much everyone, including me. Use this weekend and enjoy every second of this weekend. Please, guys, please. This has been, in my opinion, not even my opinion, a fact. Probably the hardest week of my life. Not even trading wise, like in my life, bro. Like it's been hard. It's been hard. So in the meantime, guys, you guys obviously see the market. It's not stable at all. Please do not trade it. Just come back on Monday. It is not that hard. Close the laptop and go on with your life. Go eat, go work out, go do something. Just do not trade this market. I forgot to charge my camera. Shit. Um, Damn, because I was gonna do something. Anyways, um, but yeah, I'm probably gonna get off. This is not. There's no way in hell I'm trading this. And if I catch myself trading this, I'm gonna be, even if the trade goes green, I'm gonna be so disappointed in myself. The talk is giving high from the markets. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Like high, like run very far from the market, bro. Let me see. Let me see. Adblasters, this has been my best week for passing evals. I'm taking your advice because I fucked up and blown PAs after you said this. Promise everyone he's right. I'm telling you guys, please. Look, guys, I've been in the market. I've been through the worst of the markets, and I've been through the best of the markets. This has been by far one of the worst markets I've ever seen in my life. Please avoid it. Please avoid it. I'm telling you guys, please, for the one time, just stay cash. It's not gonna hurt you. All right. I'm gonna keep repeating it until it gets in your head. You know what I mean? Sometimes I just have to keep saying it. Right. But next week, not only are we getting a pretty nice weekend, along, but not only will we be mentally refreshed for next week, but hopefully the market conditions get so much better. Now, before you guys get off, I don't think we have any news for next Monday. So if anything, the market could be pretty. I don't know. We probably won't have anything really fucking us up, right? Yeah. No, oh wait, no, we do have news Monday. We don't have news Tuesday. That's what it is. But honestly, it's PMI news on Monday, so it's not really a big deal. But yeah, Monday could be really tradable if anything. But in the meantime, guys, for a Friday, please get off. Do not trade it. Even if the setup looks good, you guys see the market conditions. We're pumping and dumping through fair value gaps and everything. You think $600 worth of drawdown is savable? Yes, bro. Dude, I don't know if you guys know this or not. Actually, for my OGs, you guys know this. I had an account at $100 in drawdown, and I got it to a payout. If I could do that, trust me, $600 is more than savable. But it's not going to be savable if you're trading this market. So please avoid it. All right. I got you guys. You guys know, once again, I kind of like want to reassure you guys as always. You know what I mean? I don't want you guys freaking out over the market. You guys know once the market gets better, once the market conditions get a lot more tradable, you guys know we'll be back to getting these payouts. You guys have seen the results from other members. You know what I mean, of me helping them out with the payouts. You guys know when the market delivers, I deliver. But right now, obviously, we don't have any opportunity in the market. We can't get it. I promise. Well, I'm not gonna guarantee you anything, but you know what I mean. We the probability is high. But once the market delivers, I will deliver alongside with the market. All right. I'm locked out. Yeah. Look, if anything, guys, if anything, go over to TradeAvate or TopSupX because I know a lot of you guys trade on TopSup. Click the lockout button. Lock your account for the day. Do not. I really don't want you guys trading this because I know how it's gonna go. I know how it's gonna go. Lock yourself out. This market is not tradable. Please lock yourself out. All right, guys. Lock that account. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'm gonna continue enjoying the little break that I'm getting. And then, like I said, Monday we'll be back in full action, fully refreshed, and you know what I mean. Hopefully, we stay far away from a bad week like this week. And look, full transparency with you guys, I'm red this week. This has been one of my first red weeks in a very long time, very very long, since December. My first losing week. All right. So full transparency. So you guys don't feel alone. I'm red this week. I know TGR is also red this month. I don't know about this week, but this month he's red. So we're not the only ones. We're not the only ones. Full transparency, I am red this week alongside with you guys. All right. So look, if you guys are struggling, I'm struggling too. All right. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now next week we'll be back. You guys know all it takes is one good trade, which I know we're gonna get. All it takes is one good trade, and we're back to being green. All right. No stress. No stress. All right, guys. Are you ready in the month? Not in the month. I'm not gonna say I'm near break even, but know what I mean, I'm not super green on the month, but mainly because of this week. This week has taken a big hit. For those wondering, I'm down about $9,000 on the week. Overall, with all the trades, it would have been a lot more if we didn't catch the 150 point trade, which made me about 12K, but I lost it all, or lost what I made on that trade on Wednesday. So yeah, no, it's copy trading. It's copy trading. Not really a big deal, but I'm saying it's not a big deal because we all know we're gonna make it back statistically. You know what I mean? I'm not worried. We just need a better market, and I've been trying to I've been stressing that out to you guys so much because I've been seeing you guys say, hey, well, actually no, not many people have been asking for trades, but you guys get what I'm saying. I obviously want to give you guys trades, but we can't. Let me see. Hey, since we're being transparent, I'm down $600 this week. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm down about 900 per account. It happens. You know what I mean? We can't really. It's how it goes. You guys got to see the good and the bad with trading, and I'm gonna show you guys everything as always. David, can you trade 20 accounts with Tradevate? Yeah, you can. Yeah, with Tradevate, yeah, you can. Yeah, guys. Full transparency, I'm down about I think 9.6K. I forgot. I gotta check the report, but it's either 9K or 9.6K. How many accounts do I have? I have 20. 20 accounts. My 14 trade streak ended. Lost 15 accounts. Time to walk away. Yeah, but we'll be back Monday. We'll be back Monday. They didn't even notice the live. They didn't. No, but we're not trading it. I look. In fact, I told everyone to lock their accounts. So you should probably do the same. don't get caught up in this market. It's not good. Just about the hey, bro, welcome, Fabian. Welcome, my man. How do you do that? On Tradevate, if you go over to settings, there's a lockout button. And on TopStep X, if you go to settings, there's also a lockout button. Gunner, we'll make it back, bro. Don't trip. Don't trip. I thought you were, no, I am doing 10. I have 20. But I'm trading 10. Thank you, Grace. Anyways, yeah, guys, I'm avoiding this market. I'm not trading it. Bro, welcome, bro. Welcome. Super glad to have you. Now, you might have joined at a pretty wrong time, because obviously the market, but when the market betters out, you know what I mean? David, you make much more than 2K per account per month. What happens to the rest of your cash if you can only cash out 2K? It stays in the account for the next payout. So look, anytime you guys request a payout, let's say for example you request 2K, it's going to it just subtracts 2K from whatever profits you have. So let's say for example you have 60K in the account, it's gonna go down to 58,000. And as long as the account does not go below $50,100, you're good. It doesn't blow up. Bro, Gunner, I've been going through it, bro. I've been going through it. Trust me. See you next week. I got you guys. All right. What's the reason you don't like TopStep? Well, because of the rules, but honestly now it's a little bit better. So I might give it a shot. But look, the whole reason I wanted to do TopStep was because I wanted to be able to screen share my fills. But now I figured it out with Apex. So we're pretty much good. Like, you guys can see everything. You guys can see exactly when I enter. You guys can see exactly how much I'm down, how much I'm up, when I'm selling, when I'm buying. So we're good. You know what I mean? We're good. We're good. You guys can see everything on the screen. And for the people, that, let me see. Question. My monthly is about to renew on WAP. Do you have to think? Or just leave it? Message me later on that because I'm gonna do a discount this weekend. A pretty big one. So just leave it at there for now, and then just let me know later, and I got you. Yeah, I got you. Realistically, what amount of drawdown can someone come back from? Bro, anything. Obviously, it all depends on timing and everything, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, guys, I think I've said it like a million times. I was gonna get off, but you guys keep asking questions. I came back from $78 drawdown. Was yeah, I did it from $100 into a payout. Trust me, it's possible. I did get lucky with the timing, but we read the market right, and there we were. Does Apex cancel your monthly after you pass your eval? Yeah, it does. They do it automatically. Yeah. But right, I'm gonna close this chat. Hold up, let me close the chat. Wait, never mind. One last question. Okay, one last question. What's the max amount of accounts you can have with TopStep? 5. 5 accounts. 5 accounts. 5 accounts. Okay, no more questions. I'm closing the chat. I'm not reading it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get off. Okay, guys, I already said, if you guys can lock out your account, lock it out. Do not trade it. Please do not trade it. All right, guys? Do not trade this market. It is horrible. All right, guys? But in the meantime, yeah, I'm just gonna get off. All right, guys. Why you always, oh, my mic is like my lips are touching this mic. You know what I mean? Like it's close. It's close. Anyways, all right, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. All right, guys. Please just take the day off. All right. I'll see you guys on Monday then. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace. And guys, YouTube. Obviously, you guys know. Hopefully, you guys are staying cash. I don't know if you guys see the banner at the top, but if you guys do want to join the premium, or you guys want to join, or buy an APIS account, if you guys use code Blasters, it will apply either an 80% off discount or a 60% off discount if you guys are interested in joining. All right, guys. But anyways, that's kind of enough for me for today. I don't really want to trade this market. And I suggest you guys don't either. But yeah, we'll see how Monday goes. All right, guys. We'll be back on Monday, fully refreshed, and I promise you guys, we're gonna be back in the market. All right, guys. Back with the winners, back with all the money and everything. So we'll be back. All right, guys. But if you guys haven't already, I'm not gonna say join the premium just yet because I'm gonna do a massive discount over the weekend. I don't know if I want to do 80% off or something. But I want to get back to you guys. All right. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you guys on Monday then. All right, guys. And if you haven't already, click the third link in the description to join the free Discord. I'm gonna be doing the giveaway there. If you guys are interested in seeing if you guys can win. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday then. All right. Peace out, guys.